Okay, now whenever you're ready.
Okay. Okay. Big crowd tonight. Thank you for everybody for coming. I'm going to call the meeting to order. And we are going to start with the flag salute. And Amanda, can you lead us?
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Okay, we've got a special guest up with us today. Dr. Rodriguez is not here, but Tiffany is filling in, and we are going to get started. So is there any changes or additions to the agenda?
The only, do you want to press something there?
Oh, yes.
There you go. The only changes to the agenda are removing the superintendent's report.
Great. We'll take a motion to.
I move that we remove the superintendent report from our agenda this evening.
A second.
All in favor?
Aye.
That takes us to the consent agenda.
And then I will also move that we approve the consent agenda as presented.
A second.
All in favor?
Aye.
So with not having a superintendent's report, it goes into, we'll get right into board communication. Donna?
I don't have anything this evening, thank you.
Jake?
Well wishes to Dr. Rodriguez, hope for a speedy recovery. Welcome again to our new staff. It's awesome to see new faces and excited for this new chapter of our leadership. Wishing everyone a great summer, and had the chance to talk to a couple of our principals, so I'm just grateful for the optimism and open-mindedness to our shuffling and our interim plan that's going into place this year. I think it's for the best considering all the timing, and excited for people to step up into new roles. So I wish everyone there the best of luck, and everybody a happy summer. That's all.
Thank you. Amanda?
Well wishes again to Dr. Rodriguez, and yeah, happy summer. It's been mellow, so I haven't done much this week or last week.
Amber?
All right. I wanted to, and because Dr. Rodriguez is not here, we won't probably get into this, but I know that there's been some continued conversation with the leadership team around some of the policy topics we've been thinking about as a district. So I will just say that I'm looking forward to hearing more about how those conversations went with building admin around some discipline policy updates, as well as cell phone usage, which has been something that we continue to discuss. So looking forward to that, and hoping that by our board retreat, we can have some more time for those topics. Other than that, it's been a nice kickoff to summer. Hope everybody else is having the same good time. I heard 4th of July was lovely. I didn't make it down this year, but I know there was good representation from lots of student groups and other folks throughout the district.
Yes. I didn't make it down to 4th either. Farming time. Anyways, I don't have anything so I think we are done with the board communication. Is there any public comment tonight?
No, there's not.
No public comment. So that takes us to old business. There is none. New business. We have one item.
So we have 9A, approve travel request for cross-country team to attend a team-led camp in Bend, Oregon, July 18th through the 20th, 2025. Recommend approval for the JV and varsity cross-country athletes to travel to Bend for the running trip.
Point of clarification, I usually ask this question just so that it's very obvious to everyone out there who might be listening, but the cross-country team, when they do, or student groups when they do travel, they do their own fundraising through ASB to fund these. Is that correct?
Correct.
I would say that's the normal route, but I am not absolutely certain on this one.
I don't see Paula here either, but I'll assume that's true. And assuming so, I will move that we approve the travel request as presented.
A second.
Any discussion? All in favor?
Aye.
Okay, that is it for new business. There is no executive session. So I'm adjourning the meeting. Wow.
5 minutes.
5 minutes, that's a record.
Throwback.